Siku chache baada ya Obinna kumhoji aliyekuwa naibu wa rais, ameweza kupata fursa ya kuzungumza kwa mara ya kwanza. Obinna alimsifu Pastor Dorcas ambaye ni mke wa Rigathi Gachagua na kusema kuwa yeye ni mke thabiti kwa mumewe. Pia alifichua kwamba video yake imefikisha viewers milioni 1 kwa siku moja tu. Obinna akasema kwamba anaogopa kidogo, ingawaje hakuna chochote alisema, akiashiria kwamba yeye alikuwa kazini tu. Hata hivyo alisema kwamba sasa anamtafuta rais ili wapige gumzo na yeye. Mwishowe alifichua kwamba walilala kwa Gachagua na kuweza kuondoka siku iliyofuata. Tazama video hii.
Discuss. I want to sit down with Uhuru Kenyatta, His Excellency. I want to sit down with William Ruto, His Excellency, and many other people, so we can also hear that other side of the story, to pick a story, and then we see what goes where. But it's been one of a kind, and I'm very grateful that he allowed us to sit down with him, invited us to his home. We ate, tukatiwa vizuri. One thing that I discovered, nataka kuchoma. Unajua, Pastor Dorcas is like a wife. Like I didn't know, like Pastor Dorcas is a wife. Like, this is what I mean. So in the public space, I know a lot of celebrities who are like married, and even politicians and business people and church leaders. In the public, when the cameras go off, bibi anakuanga na mind business yake, bwana na mind business yake, and I've seen it like everywhere. But for Rigiji's wife, like when the cameras are on and when they are off, she's still the same. Like ako worried, oh amekula, oh ameenda amemserve, ameamka anatutolea vyombo kwa meza, anauliza my children, are you okay? I'm like mpaka tulifika nikasema inafaa Rigiji address kama amechill nini, akaniambia don't worry, I have sorted. I'm like yo, this is something. I know people who would have been in her level wenye wangekuwa zile za weji pange wanajibu husband vibaya. I've seen people do that, but for her she's like a wife. Like, yeah, that was something different, but that was commendable. Then Rigiji also is a romantic. Simuliona mapoem zake, uliona poem? So mimi sasa nataka nikutane sasa na number 1 na wife yake, pia niwacheke alafu niwalete mshene.
Exactly. Yeah, congratulations for that.
Asante.
And also we can talk of the aftermath of the interview. Maybe what are these things that have just happened now? Unajua lazima watu waongee.
Yeah.
Nimeona pale kwa mtandao watu wanaongea mambo mingi sana.
Guys will talk about a lot of things, which is good. That's what I intended to happen. That is what was going to happen. What did you think was going to happen? They were going to talk. So they'll speculate, others will spread rumors, but the purpose is they are talking. So it's a good thing, and it is serving the purpose, because what your interview gani, they go and look for it and they watch it. That's why we've hit 1 million views on that interview in one day, which is groundbreaking. So definitely they're gonna talk. Yeah, and that's the purpose.
Yeah,
but mimi nimeogopa kidogo. Muniweke mimi bora, mimi sikusema kitu nini. Si hata nyinyi mliona. Mimi sikuongea, si mliona. Si mimi nilikuwa job. Si ndio, mimi natafuta result tupige na hii pia. Alafu sasa pia sasa it was a long drive from Munyoro, so we couldn't come at night. Watu walikuwa wameogopa, nikamwambia ni aje tulaleni hapa nini, alafu twende daytime. So daytime tunakam tuna meet roadblock. Na roadblock na freeze. Nikamuuliza kule guy, okay, what's gonna happen? And I say chukeni camera and then you record. But we got here safely. Nobody has really contacted us to tell us anything negative or whatever. Everybody